What does she do? Does she go to India? Does she stay here? Which designer does she go to? What color does she go for? What sort of embroidery does she go for? All these questions and not enough answers. Maybe Feroza can shed some light on it.